Hello, my name is Teacher Sylvia with Options for Learning, and today's story is It's Raining, It's Pouring, as told by Ken Eagle and illustrated by Rob Gilbert. So this is actually a nursery rhyme told in story format. Some of you may be familiar with that nursery rhyme, and it's pretty much the same, just illustrated and again told in a story type of format. It's raining, it's pouring. So here we go. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Do you see the old man? What is he doing and where is he? And what's happening there in his house? What do you see? Looks like something's dripping from the ceiling, and they have this to catch it. Right? Different containers to catch the rain that's coming through a leak in the roof. He bumped his head when he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. My goodness, look at how much it's rained. And it rained inside their house, and what did it cause? It caused their house to get full, and off he goes on his bed. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. Can you see the clouds? What do you see that makes you know it's breezy? Anything flying around in the air? Maybe a leaf. And there he is about to sneeze. What would make him sneezy? He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. Do you think that's possible to really blow so hard he can move the stars? Well, this is a made-up nursery rhyme. We're using our imagination. It's snowing, it's blowing. The old man is growing. See the snowflakes? Every single snowflake is individual, very different one from the other. And I wonder what's making him grow. What's he doing there in the picture? Let's see. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. So he's growing because he's eating a lot. Eating a lot of those sometimes foods. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. So what's he thinking about there? What's he looking at? The beehive. And we just read that he loves honey. So bees make honey. So what do you think he's going to do? Let's find out. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. Yes, so the bees didn't like him trying to get the honey from their hive. And off he goes, because what will the bees do? They'll sting him. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. So we know it's cold because what do we see Willie wearing? Earmuffs, a scarf, and a jacket. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly? There he goes down the well. A well, it has like a trench and there's water that people used to get their water from before we had faucets and sinks and water fountains. I think some people still utilize the well. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife's name is Cindy. There they are. What are they doing? Having a picnic. Looks like a nice, lovely day. We know it's a little bit windy because what do we see in the sky? That's called the kite. And we see the sailboat. And the things that makes these move is the wind. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. So it looks like they got full of ants, and Lindy's a type of dance, but I think they're moving because the ants are either biting them or making them wriggle, tickling them. I don't know, do you think they're having fun or maybe not? Look at their faces. I don't think they're enjoying it much. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasin'. So there he is, nice asleep again back at home. The end. And here are the lyrics and the verses for It's Raining, It's Pouring. That's what you see there. The end. Hope you enjoyed today's story. Thank you.